So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Angola. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I've opened this Angola e-visa website. Here you can go to online visa application, airport board of a border of arrival where you are going. So I'm just putting some sample, you do as per your own case. Put the characters. Okay. Terms condition, read it. It's very important. Okay, tourist visa. So what you need 6 months of validity and a copy of passport page showing a maximum file size 70 KB. They should give more, but anyway, fine. Image format JPEG, photograph with white background, specifications given, vaccination certificate, air ticket, even round trip ticket, visa fee, this much paid in cash at the border. Okay. Even for scanning the document they have given. Okay. The specification, nationals of following country can stay visa free uh, up to 30 days per entry and 90 days per year. So Canada is there, India is also there. Yes, fine. But anyway, if you are going to stay more than that, then definitely you need a visa. The countries listed below are also exempt from visa requirement for short stays. Okay, fine. So click on continue. Now, when filling, like I'm putting sample, you do it as per your own case or your own case surname. So even though I'm tapping in small, it's getting converted into capital. So you need to fill all as per your own case. I'm just putting sample. Country of birth, let's say India. Nationality. Remember, for up to 30 days, it's not required as per current requirement, but it can change anytime. Profession. Passport number. Now, these details you should verify a lot, okay? Because a lot of people do minor mistake, then they struggle a lot. So don't do this. Anything that you put, verify at least like 2 times at least. June 15, and let's say you are going to stay there longer. Your home address, provide your home address. Phone number, email address. These things are important. I'm doing like this, but you don't do because this sample anyway I'm not gonna submit. Address where you're gonna stay. If you have already booked your accommodation, definitely you have this information. Contact person, full name. Yes. Like if you book hotel, like they will have this. They generally provide if you don't know anyone. Expiry. Or if somebody is inviting you, they provide this. And it doesn't say like from within Angola, even any contact person. But yeah, because of address, yeah, it should be from Angola. Yeah, it's local. So I apologize for that. Yeah, so your hotel will provide this, okay, information. Or if you have booked through any tourist company, they provide this. Telephone, email. Oh, I did any mistake. Maybe this passport is invalid. Probably I put so many number. Hopefully this gets through. Yeah. So what I need to do? I need to photo. Okay, photo, and I need to click on upload. Okay, I'll see you in the. So guys, what happened? Like I went through this. Like it asked me to upload documents. Like it's gonna ask you upload everything: photo, passport, vaccination certificate, proof of accommodation, proof of livelihood, all this, and then it's gonna come here again. Like it's gonna preview, and in the next screen, it's gonna let you upload the file. Let's submit the file for payment. So of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.